Where's Spot? By Eric Hill. Where's Spot? Naughty Spot, it's dinner time. Where can he be? Is he behind the door? No, there is a big brown bear eating honey behind the door. Is he inside the clock? No, there is a long yellow snake in the clock. Is he in the piano? No, no. There is an enormous gray hippo and a tiny yellow bird in the piano. Is he under the stairs? No. There is a furious lion under the stairs. Is he in the wardrobe? No. There is a monkey eating bananas in the wardrobe. Is he under the bed? No, there is a green crocodile. Snap, snap under the bed. Is he in the box? No, no, no. There are 3 penguins in the box. There's Spot. He's under the rug. No, there's the tortoise under the rug. Try the basket. Finally, I found you, Spot. Good boy, Spot. Eat up your dinner.